let's get right into it, baby. I can't wait to make these. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making cheese crackers. It's a 5 ingredient, tastes like Cheez-Its. If you're watching this video, comment down below if you like salty crackers or not. My favorites are only salty crackers. See a different setup behind me because we need this thing to make it. So we need to add sharp cheddar cheese. 2 cups. That's a lot of cheese.
Because they're cheese crackers.
Please wash your hands when you're making this. To that, you add 1 cup of flour. Now you add half teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much salt because the cheese is already gonna be salty. Blend this baby up. Now we add 1/4 cup of butter. Now blend it again. Now we add 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we blend it again. I'm kind of tired from blending all this. Now we dump the dry stuff onto a flat surface and then you make it just like a dough. My mom is rolling it into a dough. So you use a floured surface, put the dough on it, make it flat as thin as you could because they're gonna puff up a lot in the oven. I think I'll need my mom to do this for me because it's gonna be quite hard to do. Mom asked me to give it a try, so hey, I have a rolling pin and let's give it a try. While my mom is doing all the hard work rolling, let's turn on the oven at 325. So now you cut them in squares, small ones, and then you put a hole in it so then they don't puff up too much. Now we bake this to 12 to 15 minutes or when they're golden brown.
Are you excited?
Oh, hell yeah. Listen to my crunch.
How would it taste?
So good.